In today's video, we are going to install Vegas Pro 2026. We have already downloaded the file, which is around 500 megabytes, from the internet. As you can see here, from this app you can easily download Vegas Pro. We have already uploaded a video about how to download it before. You can watch that video if you are getting any kind of error. You can also download it from internet websites, as there are lots of files available online. In the upcoming next video, I will also upload a tutorial on how to use this downloaded version of Vegas Pro according to your laptop configuration. That's why I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Let's start the installation setup. Just click Next, Next. It is a simple process. Just keep clicking Next. It will take time to installation depend on your laptop configuration. If you getting any kind of error then comment below and there is nothing critical in this installation. After the setup is finished, you can see here that it is asking to activate the app. But do not worry about it. We have another setup to run. Just copy this file, go to our installation folder, right-click on it, go to Open File Location, paste the file here, and run it. Just click Next, wait for a few minutes, and it's done. After that deleted the file which is copied from the installation directory. After that we completed the setup successfully. Then go to our homepage and find the installed app. Now let's try to open the app. As you can see, our app has been installed successfully and it is opening as well. If you get any kind of error during the installation, write it in the comments below. If you like this video, then subscribe, like, and comment. Stay tuned with us.